Hello and welcome back to another APC Tech Talk. I'm Matt from the R&D team, and today we're talking about something that comes up a lot: hot tire pickup. What is it, why it happens, and what can you do to prevent it on your next job? Let's start with what we're actually dealing with. Hot tire pickup is when the car tire lifts the coating straight off the slab, usually in the exact spots where the car has been parked. Everything might look great at first, but a few weeks in, the client notices patches peeling or delaminating, and it's often traced back to one key thing. The root cause is poor adhesion. If the coating hasn't bonded properly to the slab, anything that puts tension on the surface, like a hot tire cooling down, can pull it straight up. Now, let's look at the main factors behind that poor adhesion. The first is surface preparation. If the floor hasn't been properly ground, cleaned, or profiled, you won't get a strong mechanical bond. That might mean dust left on the surface, oil contamination, or skipping the sacrifice coat when it's needed. Then there are contributing factors, things that don't cause the problem on their own, but definitely make it worse. One of those is tire plasticizers, which are chemicals in the tires that give them flexibility and grip. Over time, they can leach out and soften the top layer of certain coatings, especially some polyurethanes. Once softened, the coating is much easier to lift. Heat and cure time are also big contributors. After driving, tires can be extremely hot. When they're parked and begin to cool, they contract and create suction on the coating. If that coating hasn't fully cured, even if it feels dry to the touch, it won't have developed full bond strength, and that's when lifting can happen. That's why timing matters. Even on fast curing systems, you'll want to allow at least 72 hours before allowing any vehicle traffic. That window needs to be longer again in colder or humid conditions. Garage floors and driveways need to handle heat, pressure, and chemical exposure. If you're using a coating that isn't rated for vehicle traffic or can't handle tire contact, it's going to fail. For high demand areas, stick with products like our Sparta 60 polyaspartic or our GP and EPO 100 epoxy ranges. These are designed to handle vehicle loads and temperature swings. That's it for today's Tech Talk. If you've got questions, get in touch with our team or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.